Are desktop editors ever gonna use the iPad version of Final Cut Pro? Let's find out. Do you like my t-shirt? I got it for my birthday. I'm still in that delusional phase where I think I might get Eras tickets. I can't stop watching clips on TikTok, it's bad. Today we're talking about something super exciting, which is Final Cut Pro on the iPad. We're gonna talk about 3 things that I love about the Final Cut Pro app, and then 3 things that I don't love about the Final Cut Pro app for iPad. So when you go into the iPad version, they have all these like magic tools, and this is the first thing I love, is the drag and drop background removal. So basically you're gonna be able to cut out any object and replace the background. The second thing I love is the soundtracks they added that basically auto adjust to how long your video is. If your video is 3 minutes, you can just drag the song to be 3 minutes. Using AI, it'll auto adjust the song length. The third thing I like is the live drawing. I think that's really cool. You can use an Apple Pencil and live draw in Final Cut Pro. The first thing that I don't love is that you can't work from an external hard drive, so you can't just hook that up to the iPad version and work from that. Not being able to work on an external might really bother some people, and for other people it won't be even an issue at all. The second thing is you need like a nicer iPad to be able to, I think, consistently be editing larger projects on an iPad, and that was something I wasn't prepared for when I got this iPad a couple years ago. I was not thinking I would ever edit on it. It has way less storage, it doesn't have an M1 chip. Also, it helps if you have an Apple Pencil, which is another expense, the price. So the iPad Final Cut Pro is gonna be $4.99 a month. That's a good price for somebody who wants to just learn Final Cut and get into it. Do I think that Final Cut Pro on the iPad is worth it? I think if you're a beginner editor, if you are Gen Z or Gen A, or you're already editing on an iPad or an iPhone and you're used to the all-touch experience, then yeah, like it's totally worth it. It's not that much per month. It gets you on a professional editing software. Is the iPad version gonna be something I use? Maybe not. Is it gonna be something my kids use? Yeah, probably. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I make videos every 2 weeks. I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.